Hi everyone, kumusta po kayo? Si Sir Bibal po ito at on board na naman po tayo dahil po we're driving to Washington DC with Tionco family. Yan, ang Gracie at the back, si Bella, si Mami at si Baby, Symphony at si Kuya Ivan ang nagda-drive ngayon. So medyo maulan po ang weather natin pero that's perfectly fine kasi po hindi pa rin matatago ang ganda. Ang Washington DC is not one of the 50 states ng United States of America, but it's just like a standalone county or district. So Washington DC stands for Washington District of Columbia. So ayan, let's go. Hi everyone, so andito na kami sa Washington DC. Ayan, mga J1 teachers from DepEd Calamba City. Medyo rainy weather at kakaiba po talaga yung ulan. Ayan po, binabaybay po natin ang Pennsylvania Avenue. Ang ganda po ng Washington DC. Hi babe! Na po yung White House, but the problem is since piniprepare na siya for inauguration of President Donald Trump, so naka-close po siya at restricted muna po yung area. So tatanaw nyo po doon sa kabila po, yun po yung White House. So ayan, dahil dyan babalik na po ulit kami. Hi babe! Lumipat po kami ng kabilang side kasi naakala namin na makakasok po kami or makakalapit po kami, pero hindi pa rin po. Oh, this is the Treasury Department. Okay, dito naman po ang Milken Center. The Treasury Department, ito po si Albert Gallatin, the Secretary of the Treasury. This is the Truist Bank with a golden clock. Go all the way, what time is the right, what time of the day. Over there is the National Metropolitan Bank. And pan tayo dito. Dito po makikita nyo naman ang Hotel Washington. Ayun na nga po, ang sarap-sarap maglakad-lakad po dito sa Washington DC. Napakalamig, negative 1 degrees Celsius po ngayon. At makikita ninyo, ayan na po yung Hotel Washington. Papunta po tayo ngayon doon sa Washington Monument kung saan naglalakad na po tayo. So, walking is the key and the running. Kapag masyado pong malamig, yun lang po ang gawin natin. Just keep on moving, keep on moving your fingers kasi it will keep you warm. And of course, wear gloves. Pero because nakalimutan ng wife ko yung gloves niya, so pinaubaya ko na yung gloves ko kasi kaya ko naman. Okay, there you go. Ang ganda. Ito naman po yung the patio. Kumusta ka naman, Mami?
So,
ang lamig, no? Ano mo sasabi mo sa Washington DC?
sobrang ganda.
Parang ikaw. What? Naglalakad-lakad na po ang mga bata na laging napakakulit ng dalawang to. Wala nang ginawa kundi maglaro at magkulitan.
Hello sa aming followers, aming viewers.
Ito naman si Ma'am nagla-live. Pumapasok po tayo ngayon sa Christmas tree display. Ayan, kung makikita nyo po, bawat isa pong state, dun sa 50 state ay may kanya-kanyang Christmas tree. Katulad po nito, ito po ang North Dakota.
See if we can find Colorado or Grandma Potter President.
Baby, try this one.
So ayan, balik na po ulit tayo. Naglalakad pa rin po kami dito po sa The Eclipse. Galing po tayo dun sa mga Christmas tree display ng by states. At ngayon po, ay naglalakad na po tayo towards the Washington Monument. Hi everyone! Nandito na tayo ngayon nga sa Washington Monument. It is an obelisk tower. It was built to honor and recognize George Washington, the founding father of the United States of America. At nandito pa rin po tayo sa Washington DC at kasalukuyan po, nandito po ako ngayon naglalakad-lakad dito po sa World War II Memorial. Ito po ay ginawa para po sa i-honor ang 16 million American soldiers na nag-join sa armed forces para sa World War II. At unfortunately, 400,000 soldiers died. Dito po makikita ninyo, meron po tayong isang pair, one, ayun po yung Pacific. At ito naman po sa likod ko, yung Atlantic Triumphal Arches na meron po tayong 56 granite pillars with bronze wreath para po sa US territories. At yun nga po, nandun po yung Philippines. Ayan. Po, at kung mapapansin po ninyo, ito po yung may water fountain pero ngayon po wala na siya kasi nagyelo na po siya dahil sa sobrang lamig.
Ang ganda.
Puntahan po natin yung granite pillar ng Philippines. Ayan pa po yung iba po mga US territories.
Sige nga, sige. Ako mag-video sa'yo. Sige, ako na.
Ayan na si Mami. Nandun siya sa Atlantic Triumphant Tower. Diba? At syempre, dahil pasaway po tayo, pumunta po tayo dito sa may water fountain na nagyelo na. A grateful nation honors the members of the armed forces of the United States and the Korean augmentations of the United States Army who gave the last full measure of devotion in defense of freedom. You can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa mga pangalan ng mga namatay, mga nasawing army, ganun din ang mga nawawala. See, this is the Korean War Memorial. So hanggang dun po yan mga pangalan, and then you can see there, freedom is not free. Then nakikita nyo po yung mga wall, may mga images, ayan, ang mga statues. Ito yung wall is may mga images siya. Hi everyone! At ngayon naman ay umaakyat po tayo ngayon sa ramp. We're going to Abraham Lincoln Memorial. So ayan, taas ko na ba.
Maybe we're so hot. Look down. Hi.
Hi babe, are you okay? At nandito naman kami ngayon sa Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture. So ito po ang building na yon. Hi everyone! Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Smithsonian African American History and Culture Museum. So,
5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Very nice. Now you're gonna roll your arms just like this. Left, right. You got it. Left, right. Very good. Left, right. You guys are naturals. Okay, so now that we've learned march, let's move on to the blade. It goes like this. Step, point, step, point, step, point. Very good. Step, point, step, point. Nice job, guys. I think you got it. So now that we've learned the blade and we've learned the march, let's move on to the clap. It's a step clap and goes like this. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. Join in. Very good. Looking nice. Okay, you have the step.
Who refused to fight African Americans when he was 10.
Sir, Ivan, Daddy.
In love with the idea of living long enough to simply ride it by, push it out my body and watch my son slowly grow into it. You said you want a poem. That what you gonna do?
Yeah, we will go to the restaurant.
And now we're on our way to another Smithsonian Museum, which is the Air and Space Museum. Grabe, napakaganda talaga ng mga building dito. Pansamantala po kaming tumigil dito kasi sobrang ganda po talaga ng Independence Avenue, lalo na po nitong building na to kasi yung pong beige colors, talaga pong feel na feel mo talaga yung napaka historical place. Ganun din yung Washington DC talaga is the capital of the United States. So what can you ask for? Ang ganda. Over 10,000 steps na po kami as of the moment. It's already 2:44 p.m. Actually, we're running late para po dun sa isang museum na National Air and Space Museum. Kasi, paano bang hindi kami malilate? Grabe talaga, napaka-breathtaking kasi nung mga buildings, mga structural and architectural designs. Kung makikita ninyo, kaya naman we can't help but stop, pause for a while, and take beautiful photos. Kita nyo to? Sobrang ganda. Nandito na kami ngayon sa National Air and Space Museum. Ayan, nandito na po kami sa loob ng National Air and Space Museum. At unfortunately, nakapasok nga kami pero yung dahilan kung bakit kami pumunta dito na dalawang bata is knocked down.
Like, no, that's red lights. They're always red. Red lights. Because it does the...
Guys, this is the real Wright Flyer.
This is a real building.
Many reproductions of the Wright Flyer have been made, but this is the actual airplane built and flown by the Wright brothers. In 1903, the fabric covering was replaced by the museum in 1985, hence the newer appearance. And ito yung sinabi niya before, it is my belief that flight is possible, and while I am taking up the investigation for pleasure rather than profit, I think there is a slight possibility of achieving fame and fortune from it. Wilbur Wright to his father, that he said on September 3, 1900.
Wow.
Ang mga commercial
Oh, pwede
Yan, ito po yung napakadami po mga airplane. Ayan po yung mga kauna-unahang commercial airplane. Now we're getting inside one of the first planes. Ayan. Ito yung luggage. Passengers.
How do they control that?
This is the 1959 Chevrolet Corvette sports car. Chevrolet advertising this Corvette as America's sports car to compete with European sports cars. Mario Andretti, one of the most successful Americans in the history of motor racing. 500-mile record averaging 157 mph. Indy 500 winner, Daytona 500 winner, Formula 1 champion. There you go. Dito naman, Erin Seals, land speed motorcycle record holder. This is the 2012 BMW S1000. There you have it, at napanood nyo po ang aming Washington DC travel. Maraming pong salamat sa pagtsatsaga kasi medyo mahaba po talaga ang travel na to at there's no way na mapaiksi ko pa siya dahil wala po talagang tapon ang lahat po ng memories that we have made in Washington DC. So maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas, and this has been one of the best road trip family travels so far. And thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.